assertive right now. Yeah.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Today I am testing out a new product called Ambunu leaves from Chad. So Ambunu leaves are just leaves, they're herbs. As you can see, this is exactly what they look like: dry, natural herbs. Look like some dirt to me. So literally all you're making is a very watery type of gel, like the paste is just a leave-in. And all you do is boil water, about 8 ounces, and then you pour your leaves inside of the water and let that marinate for about 10-20 minutes. So it is recommended that you only use this about 3 times a week. You know, like they say, too much of anything is a bad thing, okay? So it says 3 times a week, so do it 3 times a week. Don't push it. So I went ahead and mixed that up, let that sit for about 25 minutes. And then I just was playing with it, honestly, looking at it because it looked very watery. So I was worried, like, oh, is it going to come out thicker or is it going to be like watery? So I used a stocking. You do not have to, but I recommend it because the leaves, I heard, is hard to get out of your hair. But a lot of people do just pour it in their hair with the leaves. Some people say that the leaves come right out after, you know, you are combing it out or whatever. But me personally, I would rather have done it this way, and I'm happy I did it this way. And as you can see, it did start to come out thicker. It looks like honey, doesn't it? So it did come out into a nice thicker paste for me to be able to put in my hair as a conditioner. So I'm going to put this in my hair as a leave-in conditioner for about maybe an hour. So yeah, this is the final product, and it looks just like honey. But this stuff literally smells like green tea. So yeah, now I'm going ahead and going to put it right in my hair. Look at that natural hair. Isn't it just lovely? The way natural hair just works. It's just crazy, all the different textures, right? So yeah, I went ahead and just started parting my hair. I do not care if my parts are straight because I'm not styling my hair. I'm not walking outside like this. So no, your parts do not need to be straight when you're just doing a little protective style while you're in the house. Now, if you are wearing one where you're going to go outside, then yeah, you might want to be a little neater, make it look better, make the parts look nice so it can look better. But since I'm right in the crib with it today, I am just sectioning my hair and putting the product all over from the roots to the ends down. I have to go ahead and I always brush from the bottom to the top because you should. This product is very, very slippery. Like, it is literally super like slippery, and it's detangling my hair very, very well. I loved how it had my texture feeling super soft. My fingers were combing right through it without an issue. That is the best part of it. So the point of it, the Ambunu leaves helps with shine, helps with texture, helps prevent hair loss, helps with your curl pattern. Also, it's just a great detangler. So I definitely do recommend this product. I love how it had my hair feeling as I was combing through it. So I definitely do recommend it. You can order the herbs online. There's plenty of different websites where you can order these herbs. So what I realized was easier. I just started dipping my brush like straight into the gel and then just brushing it in my hair. It was easier that way and less messier because it is very water-based. So it was very messy all over my sink. So I'm onto my last section. After I did my last twist, I had some more gel left. So what I did was I went ahead and just poured it right onto my scalp, like right directly onto the hair and onto the twist, and rubbed it on there. And then I just let that sit in my hair, like I said, for about an hour. So after rinsing it out, I was very satisfied with the texture of my hair and also how my fingers just slide right on through. So yes, please give this a try. It is a great detangler, a great moisturizer. So that is it, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And you already know, stay cool, stay you, and stay weird. Stay weird.
I feel real assertive